So guys, I just got my Google AdSense letter, you know, from Google. Yeah, this letter is what you use to verify your account with AdSense so you can actually start getting paid, and I'm gonna be opening it right now so that you guys can actually see what it's like. I haven't opened it as yet. Got it this morning in the mail, so let's have to tear the sides first. Tear the sides. As you know guys, I don't really do YouTube for money per se. I actually love my country, and I just want others to know that Jamaica is a very nice place. Jamaica is a beautiful place that you can actually enjoy yourself when you come on a vacation. Everywhere in the world there is actually crime and violence. You won't get away from that, and Jamaica is no different. So basically, this is what it is. A verification number for your AdSense, So that's it guys, and I want to thank you all for being here with me at Elite Jamaica and for supporting Elite Jamaica. As all your comments, all your subscription actually count. I love and respect all my subscribers, as you often hear me say. So with that said, continue to participate and help to grow Elite Jamaica so I can actually do better research and give you guys better content. And for my friends who are on YouTube who think that it won't work, it will actually work. It takes a little work, but it will pay off. Okay, so continue doing what you're doing and you will get there. Thank you guys for joining me.